Hi, my name is Frank with the Grunt Chasers, and today we are making a video about a project that I'm about to start. I got my Hydrosport, and my air dog is pretty much not working good anymore. I guess the pump no longer has air, power, I mean, to pump the air on it, and we just decided to buy a Wave Armor dock. And the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna be doing the installation, and I'm gonna be doing my own bracket because the prices that they have for the bracket plus an installation is almost the same price you pay for the dock. So I'll be doing my own installation. I have it over there. I went to Mayaca City to pick it up. uh, about a 5 hour trip from here, and I've been working on the brackets I'm gonna put on the docks to hook it up here to my seawall over here. And this is the dock. It's a 22-foot dock. Comes in two pieces. The bottom one it'll be the back part of it, and then the top will be in the front. I built the brackets that they sell to you from on the company. They are extremely expensive, and I'm not even sure if it's gonna work better than what I did myself. So what I did, I cut out a 10-inch piece of wood, a 2x10, and I installed it with stainless steel bolts onto the actual thread that comes already built into the dock. And then I secured the bracket that I bought from dock builders, um, which they are a lot less expensive, with stainless steel bolts right to the dock. So I pretty much put the wood, bolted the wood into the dock, and then I bolted the bracket into the wood, and I did the same on the other side pretty much. Like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna be bringing the dock around. I'll put them on the water, and I'll continue with the installation. I gotta get galvanized pipe, and I got installed two other brackets on the seawall, so we could pretty much attach it, and hopefully it works pretty good. Hi, today we're gonna be bringing the second day on the dock project that I'm putting in together for the Hydrosport. We're gonna be bringing it around on the other side of the canal and tossing it on the water. Hopefully everything goes smooth, and I could pull it out by myself. My son is gonna be filming. If I need a hand, I guess he could help me out. Hopefully everything goes smooth. So I'll see you on the other side.
It's the new dock we putting up for our boat over there. I'm not even exactly sure what the plan is, but we're gonna get it there.
And mission one successfully completed. Now we're gonna go around with a small boat, and we're gonna drag it over with the trolley motor. Now I'm in the process of taking the truck with the trailer to the boat ramp so I could bring my boat around and put him on the trailer. But I'm gonna have to bring my bicycle so I could drive my bicycle back and then get on the boat because I have really no one to drive me back. And I'd rather do it during the week and not on the weekend. So this is it. Here we go. So here we are. We're gonna leave the truck and the trailer here. This is the ramp here in Hudson. And I'm gonna ride my bicycle back home. And I'll be back in a little bit with my boat, get them in the trailer, and take it home. So tomorrow I'll be cleaning the hull before I put it on the new dock. Hi, good morning. Today we're gonna be bringing the last part of installing the dock. We pretty much gonna be installing brackets, and we're gonna put galvanized pipes across to the dock, and we gotta hook the two docks together as well. I took my boat out, as you can see, and I'm gonna work on cleaning the hull as well before I put it on top of the dock. And I moved the air dock over to this side, although we might end up just selling it or getting rid of it. It's working fine, but it doesn't really have a lot of use for me anymore. So hope you guys enjoy this part. As you guys can see, the work is done. It's hot and humid, Florida in the summer, obviously. This is how we like it, I guess. Let me show you. I hooked up the bracket here on the seawall. Cut out the galvanized piping tube, drill holes through, hooked up the bracket with the pipe with another galvanized and 2 nuts. I pretty much went and did the same on this side. Installed the bracket, pipe, bolt and 2 nuts. Then I hook it up to the main dock, the port. This is the Port 220. I'm not, a sponsor or anything by any of the company or dock builders, but I think they have a great product. Oh, I still gotta install the front part where the keel rests, and those are the brackets I made myself. And those are the brackets sold by dock builders. Yeah, great company. I believe everything that I bought from them is being real good, and it works out pretty good for me. So I'm probably gonna add a couple of fenders over here so the dock doesn't bounce into the other docks, and probably a couple of lines too, just to keep it within a distance from the other floating dock. So all in all, it's been a great project, a lot of sweat, but that's about it. You could definitely do it yourself. Thank you for watching. If you guys like my project, please like and subscribe. If you guys have any comments, go ahead and drop it below. I love to hear your ideas, maybe done it different ways. Thanks for watching once again. I'll see you on the next one.